Hey, and I'm done select. I'm done removing the leaf from the stem. So the next we're going to do now is to wash it. I'll add salt to it and rinse or wash it before drying it. Some are so dirty, so we need to wash. No onion. Rinse it one more time. I'll then leave it in the basket to drain water a bit before I'll now spread it out on the sun. I'm going to sun dry this. I'll spray in my tray and the sun dry. Well dried. This dry just within hours. That's to tell you the sun here, eh? The sun in this Lagos is sunny. Oh my god. Okay. So you can crush it like this once you blend it. But I'm going to use my hand and blend it. This one is hand blender or hand grinder. Well dried. So I'll crush it down. And here we have our scent leaf powder. I'm going to transfer this into my Ziploc bag and keep it safe. You can keep this for your home use. You can sell it, and it's for export. This is how it's done. I'm going to be sending this one to somebody in US, so we are now into exportation. Treasure Kitchen, yes. So Treasure Kitchen is now into export of our local food, so contact me. I'm going to transfer this into a Ziploc bag.